Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add font frame on CapCut PC. So first one, select your video photos you want to edit here and prepare the the font frames like so. You can download on Google or you can take on another apps. So just tap on add to tray. Make as an overlay, put on top and on top the video, and you can adjust for the aspect ratio, um, customize for like so, and just going to cut out, select auto cut, select chroma key, select color picker, select the green screen, just for the string, and then shadow like so. So you can select the main video here and you can move, resize, merge it with the on frame like so. So here we go. But isn't yeah, it's not opaque. So basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.